The VR Lab took the train up to Bristol on the 12th of September for the sights, cool cafes, and Unity flashbacks, but also to officially visit Bristol VR Lab. A week after my unofficial visit, they happened to be hosting an immersive training seminar featuring insightful talks from Matt Scott of Pearson, Emmanuel Tomose of Induct VR, Vin Sumner of Clicks and Links, and Clorama Dovilius of Dubious VR. Now these guys had a fantastic insight into the realm of immersive training, and I took so many notes I didn't even have time to whip out my camera and film any of it. After the seminar, it was a little hectic as another seminar was hot on our tails. I did, however, manage to connect with a couple of the other audience members and the speakers. I spoke to Emmanuel and had a go in Induct VR's virtual fabrication workshop, and chatted about kinetic learning and DSLR cameras. Lastly, I got chatting to Dan Page of the Bristol VR Lab. I'd missed him the week before, and it was nice to have a short conversation with him. I say short because it wasn't long before I was back on the streets.
The train stopped to allow them to leave.